Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is your ninja boy Bilal Lakhwera, and from today onwards I'm start documenting my front lever journey. So today I start with doing some regular pull-ups between 4 to 5 reps with good form, and after doing pull-ups I started arc active hang 3 to 5 repetitions. Then I do some skin to cat to hit that target muscle scapula. So if we talk about the history, I started back then in 2022, in the end of 2022, by doing some regular exercises or progressions like tuck front lever. Current I stuck at straddle front lever. So I started with the first exercise, which is my straddle front lever. So I started with my straddle front lever and I hold up to 8 seconds, which was quite good. I was hopping it and then I try it again. On my second set it reduces to 5 seconds, and then on the third set it results the same. So I was quite happy, and after doing this I moved towards the front lever pull-up. So I'm doing tuck front lever pull-ups and it was quite difficult, but I maintained 3 pull-ups with good form. So for me this is the best fundamental exercise to train front lever, so I recommend it to you all. It helps me a lot. So after doing 3 sets of advanced tech front lever pull-ups, I move up to muscle ups. So the form of my muscle ups was not quite good. I was just keeping up, but I maintained 4 repetitions and I do 3 sets of muscle ups. After doing muscle ups, then I include some push-up movements like pseudo push-ups. After doing 3 sets of pseudo push-ups, so in pseudo push-ups I think my form was quite good. So after doing 3 sets of pseudo push-ups, I move towards the 90-degree hold, or you can say bend arm planche. I was struggling on my bend arm because I haven't trained a while. So after doing bend arm planche, I moved towards the elbow lever. Elbow lever was quite difficult but a good fundamental exercise. And that's it for today. So try to do this again tomorrow. एक मुलाकात तू मेरे पास जीने की वजह तुम बनो